Hi, I'm Seb, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to light the pilot on a natural gas fireplace. Now this video is specifically for natural gas fireplaces that have an igniter already built into the unit. The way to tell, if you don't know for sure, is there's an access panel here that just snaps and lowers, and you'll see an igniter button, and that's the easiest way to tell. So the first thing you want to do is just make sure that the actual flame igniter is off. So ours is built into our wall switch unit here. This is the switch, I know it is. So it's in the off position. When we light the pilot, we don't want the larger flame to be ready to go. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to make sure that we've opened up our source natural gas valve. So the valve can be located in different places. Sometimes it's right inside the unit, like mine is here, but it can be in other locations too. So this other location that is common is near your furnace room, like we have here, and this line goes to the fireplace. Okay, so I'm gonna open up my natural gas valve, and the way you know it's open is the handle should be in line with the actual natural gas line. So that's open. Next, these are the controls to light the pilot light. So this is the control that will allow us to light the pilot light. It's currently set to off. There's a little line in the back here, and we need to turn it to pilot. So what we do is we push in and spin and hold it with our thumb. And then wait, gas will start flowing. And I'm going to be looking through the glass. I know that my pilot light is located in this location. And then click until I see a flame. I'm still holding with my thumb the control valve and turning it to the on position, and just confirming that my pilot light is still on. Now I'm going to close my access panel and turn on the flame. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to it. Now, you may have to hold that pilot switch and hit the igniter for even as long as 30 seconds or more until all the natural gas gets to the pilot location. And that's because there isn't actually a lot of pressure. It's only about 5 to 7 psi. So it may take some time for the natural gas to get there. But this is pretty straightforward. Most people can handle, and I hope it's helpful to you. Thank you.